Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're encountering and already registered with this email message during the FPL login process, here's how to resolve it. You need to first go ahead and log in with your existing account, and when you're signing in, enter the email address that was flagged as already registered and use the associated password to access your FPL account. If you do not get signed in immediately, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on the forgot password option. Click on it. Now you need to enter the email address provided. Click on submit, and FPL will send you an email with a recovery code. You need to enter that code and you'll be able to reset your password of your FPL account. And after that, you can manually log in using the email and password. And you can also try merging with an existing account as well. You have the option to merge your already registered email with a new account. This allows you to link your existing FPL account to a new one if you wish. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.